So today I'm going to show you my slime collection. So my first slime is called Lavender Foam. It has foam beads and it's purple. It's very sticky.
What happened to you?
Okay. It's very sticky, as you can see. But very cool, see? It can make poking noise, popping noise, and make a swirl.
Who's that guy?
That's Tatay. That's your dad.
And this guy, who's that guy?
Tito G, your brother. And
He's doing a video blog.
and this is
I'll be the guest.
this
This
can make so many
This is
bubbles.
my
Magbihis ka na.
Oh, that's cool.
Magbihis ka na. Magbihis ka
Has
na.
a
Ayun yung tayo.
giant
Magbihis ka na tayo.
It's really cool.
Para may lakad tayo.
So I'll make it again.
uwi ka pa.
Malayo yung bahay ko.
Hindi nga, dito ka na matulog.
Kaya nga, wala naman ang pasok box eh. Si Gabi, wala rin pasok-pasok. Si Gabi.
Wala.
Sa tayo mag-swimming.
Mami, sorry.
Lumber.
Plumber,
Nakapunta ka
lapper.
na doon?
Nope.
Hindi
Okay,
pa?
I'll
Hindi
make
pa?
this.
Hindi pa?
Hindi pa.
Ako rin tayo. Doon
This
tayo
is a
bukas.
swirl. Swirl is
Kala
like
ko,
a
kala ko, ano to? Kala ko skateboard. Yung nakasabit.
It's violin.
yeah, man.
Okay, close the door.
Video progress.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay, so here's the swirl.
What? It looks like a...
Yeah, that's why it looks like a poop. Okay.
Okay, next
My
is...
next slime is my biggest slime. So it's called Mixed Ocean. It has googly eyes, sparkles, a lot of things.
Oh,
Actually, a great slime.
what's that? An eye?
Yep, I said googly eyes, and there's still more.
Oh.
And there's so much that I need to keep them in 2 containers. And I labeled them today. It is a jiggly slime. You can't really play with it. You can just poke it and make bubbles. I'll make a bubble. I'll try to. But it leaves some sparkles, glitters.
Cool.
There's an eye.
That's really cool.
And it pops. I love making bubbles. My friend has poop slime. She has poop slime.
Poop slime.
Yeah, poop slime. And that sounded like a fart.
No.
She has poop slime because she used to have, she made it, we got it from the carnival in school, and she mixed it all the rainbow colors and it made into poop.
Ew.
So she calls it rainbow poop. So I need, when I put them back, I need to divide them into different like things. This small goes here. it's very hard because it's so sticky. And that's why I have a little bit more of activator. Okay, I'm gonna put this right. Hey, I'm making a video.
And who's that girl?
Atife.
Gabi, it's time to sleep ha.
Oh, time to sleep. One more slime to go.
No. I like
Always
to-
slime. I will
Of course, we're making the last video.
throw that.
Okay. So that's
Okay, one more slime.
wait, I'll be
Whose pajama is this?
Nanay. My next
Miss for nanay?
yep slime is lavender and pink.
I have it.
But I don't really want to show this because it's hard.
Okay.
So my last slime is ouch.
I have it pasalubong to you.
I know.
Oh. What will you say?
Thank you.
And this is
And this one is
Yo.
called
#1 premium. Okay? The best in the Philippines.
so this is called green mint because it looks like green mint.
And this one.
Fita.
Pita, you like it?
Okay, so I'm gonna make a slime.
What makes that different from other slime?
This is just normal slime. So,
Gabi,
oh, I know.
Okay, that's fine.
And it also can make big bubbles. It used to make big bubbles, but now
Okay,
no.
what are the ingredients of your slime?
In this slime, I needed some glue, food coloring or paint. I use paint, and some activator or detergent. I use detergent.
Okay, so you invite your followers to watch you at YouTube.
Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is
guys, sabi ni Nono.
this channel. Okay. Okay, that was my last slime. And as you can see, there's a lot of sparkless. And a lot on my hands. And excess. This has slime.
Wait,
too.
can you give any advice for those kids who are starting to make a slime?
If it rips, if when you stretch it, if it rips, put lotion. But if it's like so sticky,
Lotion in your hands?
yeah, for your body.
Okay.
And then
Excuse no.
I recommend Bath and Body Works. And if it's hard, hard like this,
It's too hard.
add lotion. But I'm not gonna add lotion because I like it because it looks like chocolate. And this is chocolate. But if it's too sticky like my mixed ocean, then you should add activator, which is detergent here in Dubai. And for America they use borax, but I don't really recommend borax. And there's also contact lens solution and baking soda. So I tried that before, but my contact lens solution was finished. So, and this is sponsored by Dollar Plus in Medina Mall. Oh, it's broken. Okay, so it has different kinds of things, and it even has PVA glue, but my PVA glue is finished
Okay.
because I use it so much. So, yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.